I don't want anyone to
His Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, the legit flag bearer, had a new patriotic party. Baby, New Otitowe, Niki, Sempe Traditional Council, Regional Secretary, Odalai Paka, New Odalai Paka, Echo here, Mayor of Accra, Honorable Elizabeth, Nakwato Tayasaki, I know District Assembly's Common Front Administrator, Honorable Natashi Adolati, MC, they have collected for 10 years. That's our honorable member of parliament. They have Ablekuma West Miami. Let me give communications minister, Honorable Esra Owusu Ekufu, the who is Shiami. Eba Nina, ni Sempe, ni Eba Hale Afi, ni Kenya Yuane. Akwasi Fatoba, former member of parliament. They have Okaikwe South Miami. Parliamentary candidate, Miji Alhaj Manaf Ajay Sowa, Eva Shashian. I'm flying Sempe. I'm a Afi. He's a better chef flow. Okay, I'm question fair when I Katamaso Manche. Katamaso fair Manche. Eta Edina Nika you are there. Honorable Esther Owusu Ekufu, the member of parliament. Oh, His Excellency, Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, F1 Sempe, F1 Katamanso, Eha Afi, Feldi or Vice President. Eha Tani Sempe in the Beku. Oh, Nyemeni Ekweshi Abia FL. His Excellency, Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia,
we have to celebrate our festival, and we are the climax. We have come here to enjoy ourselves, have a drink, and then eat. Luckily for us, we have been visited by the flag bearer of the MPP and also the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Homowo Bawumia. He didn't come alone. He came with the Regional Minister for Greater Accra, my successor, who is a brother. He was also accompanied by my sister, Esther Owusu, my sister Natoshi, the former Lands Commission Chairman from Ashanti region, and many, the former MP for Adokuma Central is also here. And also my brother and my classmate. My classmate at Teshisale, when we were age of 12 years, Divine Agowon, he was my classmate and a friend. And the mayor of Accra is also here. He was a colleague in parliament, and we are very good friends. And many other MPP dignitaries. We welcome them to the residence of the leader of the Sempe people, the paramount chief of the Sempe traditional area, and also the Mangraro of the Ghana state. My brother and my vice president, you are welcome to the residence of my own brother, Ni Otito. We receive you wholeheartedly. We wish you will be here in peace. We can assure you, apart from the military and the police presence, we also have our own army on the ground to protect you. We are very strong in the Ghana area. We are very strong people, and we have a strong force. So feel free. I've told one of my friends who is your bodyguard that you can sit down and leave you from there. There's no threat at all. So you are welcome. We are going to enjoy ourselves together. We are going to have a drink for the next 1 hour before you depart. Thank you very much, and you are welcome.
Sempe mancheme kon paini eba kwashi ebie bekene ye Sempe Traditional Council na wa kemene bine ni woyo Homowo went to Vice President Honor His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enye epapie ni ekewo mamba na boni call po ko bo maye afie de da ni wonale na kan no wo emi ehye wa ke mene miu ite masai itani Sempe hu masai ni won flale Abekuma West ne ni ma jo nye fe mi anya fi o afi ayaba ni na o ma jo fe
in Agabede, we honorable if you are to name the Fatakuashi. You know the issue. Yes, that's a woman of substance. Honorable if you are to when you know, the former member of parliament, the Hamburg Campus South near me, the Nana Akomia, the Fata campaign, Mijoba, one flag later machine. You know, share the former Tema East member of parliament. The president here, Bamo Greater Accra, will be a legit Greater Accra regional minister. He now share no potter who are not ever fishing. Yet needs a better boy here. If I fed them, make a room and show my
Oh, Nina Gafe Magdalo and the Paramount Chief of Sempe Traditional Council. When I need Katamanso Kego Fata, you can lead a Jew, Osa. His Excellency the Vice President, Nila No Jew of Flag Bearer, NPP. The National Chairman, Member of Parliament, Abekuma West, former MP, Abekuma Central, Honorable Natoshi, Honorable Kwacho Tayuasaki, Honorable Nana Kumia, Honorable Comrade Paul, que Olukbani here His Excellency said, Keba ni Sempe dabwa womba de fe ne jomane ko bagane kama ywe cho jake chanene wa jebichu wa bonesh echecho inke honorable Pachota Yasaki, His Excellency the President, the Vice President Chuo womba ni Sempe Shiane Achuo Akeni Kamakako President the Vice President Wobe Kunuwa Bien Wobe Yafi Nuoba Onyewa de Ableko Tokui Onyembe Tokui Onyemu Chulubegalo Onye Guinness ka crates Beer ka crates Mineral ka crates No Adekai Castle Bridge Adeka Kerole Bona Feni Bolivia Giomane Nyenu President, His Excellency the Vice President. No sir Eke Nye Tashi Nike Kamembako Nakoto Nashwa De Nye De Banye Machine Washane Neto Tublo ne do tu do mu e ti aka maje de what they just said ya sere free bomb o ba se Josh wo ga yo ko ba choni makata no wo ga pota bola o ba se pese shi be mi wa ya wa tinye no ye o paramount house wo ko ne wa me kokko wo ka ma ke wo ke ba pe wo te pese wo a na ye abiasuma no the president ko ba bi ne his excellence be ibane wafi afia ni manina pa manina wo atwape wona kai wo jebu wo nu wo podi ajo ko wo shi agbo agbele wo ni pa manina wo fi mo alo te bi go bra ka ba foto wo te ne ke sumo no jebu me wo ka ya na His Excellency the Vice President, the President there. Now, me feel how me wo. I mean, Jane ke so mo kune. You will get happen. Oba mommy. As a follow la kweke, when a person, really tell you anything. Ukradia wana bechi. Bodi jata. Ni wako wacha pa. She wante wa kama shiwo. Ejake politics na fio ofe ni tafurache ndo brando ko kanu ka basho ngene ka wote kan show na je me chake abate she vice president his excellency president me chakpa mene ama fishia bo de chencho ababele bona fredi gawule keke te wu ni ba pele kishin ni yajo ishona ye ebi ikeyefe nyamba amenda amena chimo na bacho o bakene ni Sempe ko babi o mani wa wafi ni woke wo sumo bodu wa ke Sempe manfe boni omo gami no hani gan mo shi yale na ni mafatawe e mo itwa atwape ono kai ni sumo bodu je ya vice president his excellency the president e ya no fe wo ha ya afi bene wo pe ake tabe ake gana mabi wo ba pa ko na gebo excellence the vice president there manchabili ne le kusuwa he knows translation as a son of a chief he really values and revere chief so much so wherever we have been to he makes sure he follows tradition. So he has in his hands 2 foreign schnapps and an envelope as a sign of tradition to Sempe. So we have in our hands Homowo ni omomi.
Oh, you try to go. That's only a fellow you inage new regional minister in Europe. Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia is by God's grace the incoming president of the Republic of Ghana. Get me out of here, how to go.
Me, Sempe, the leader of the Sempe people, paramount chief of the Sempe Traditional Council, the Mankrado of the Dan State. Nime Name Nhanyefe Afio Afi. I am most privileged and honored to be here in the Sempe Manches Palace. I take the Homowo festival very seriously, and I am here to wish Sempe a happy Homowo. I have been campaigning in the Eastern region, and I was there till yesterday but I decided because of Homowo to break my campaign and come back to Greater Accra and celebrate with you for today. So I am so happy to have the opportunity to do so today. We are in a political season, but today is not for politics. Today is for celebration. We will come back and campaign and ask for your support. I believe that the golden days of the Gas state are ahead. And under a Bahomia presidency, we will see those golden days realized. So I am asking for your support as well as for the Member of Parliament, our parliamentary candidate, Fablekuma West, Miss Esela Owusu Ekufu. Brilliant, excellent Member of Parliament. Let her continue and let us deliver the goods. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. In this year, I cannot love you about me. Oh, I don't need you.
Enyemi Tache ni Katamanso
Ni la ya kwete. Ni jinyumano.
ke olupa ife ni ba pese e bi e mi ba ni fe ni omade nya amanye hu kenkle ada wo vice president ake eko inale ke ba bi e ni e ba support wo Homowo yeli wo makpa Sempe ke ma bi fe fa na ake de twa apele o vice president que c'est avec Chosum que que Sempe ni quand il y a eu c'est là sur que il y a eu mo ake ni fait politicien ni fait gadango Monique wa baya wa kele baya Monique wa eya wa kele ya ma no che ke wonyame politician say ba he wo mi na ma na wa ke no che na ye na me question na ojuba work and match no ye kwa bele yo fo ake gani yafi ni wo ma nye enye lo se mo efa a regional minister ke MP ni yo ko ba no ke se bi na meba ni ame wawo ni wo yi wo afie ye kwa bele yo fo Meri ke wo ba ya na ma wa no ba twa gadangbe wo ba pia me no fi ono mi Iwe last weekend, you last week, Inyemo, Ninye any political party. Shimonika Obaya, Wakalabaya. No two ways about it. Many Bana Waka Menimime, Namawa, no about Chakandango machine. I'm a 100% support. Wow. Gamanoni. Any political party noni. Gamanoni. Kake na kabule ba hawo. Ake game wajino cheme ga. Meni kwa hawo wakala kabule ba. Asisi wo eche. King of king. Ga asisi wo eche. King of king. Black wall. She emona akeshi woye election year. Mofia money baba ni eye gadangbe esumo mi ni adoto tinto ma 100% support. Money ba gadangbe esumo mi ni adoto tinto 0. She wona ni bi ko me na asani wo fo yo da sa keshi e ba yi ni ye he mo ke ile ake for vice president ke se bi ene amebashi ane efe na gbe ni efe akeshi ni ese campaign ta na ewo
ti ameko wa ashna gbe fe gbe mo wonye o ke twaka na gbe o ma Mark Morgan ke Sempe fe na ni ma damage aka ame chosumo ngwajo ame fe try mo ma dia